In this video, I'll show you how to use Narrator to read text Windows 10. It's still working in Windows 11. So what you need to do, make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. So tap on it. Won't enable Narrator now. So won't enable it. So go to the settings. So come on here. You're going to be able to see this. Type in Narrator. So tap on Narrator. So we're going to be able to enable it now. And remember, once we enable it, any text you select is going to be able to narrate that text immediately. So I'll show you what you need to see now. I'm going to enable it now.
Record narrator dialog. Recording tool. Narrator open office April 1st. The recording open office April 1st. Torrent 12R at one end.
So whatever I select right now, you're going to be able to hear the text.
This PC. Network 16 of 20. Settings. Narrator. Toggle switch. Exiting narrator.
So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.